Hi, I'm Anya. For this challenge, I designed Fraction Operator, a zero-friction learning ecosystem for high school students. I've moved away from traditional classroom aesthetics to create a mature, high-performance interface that respects the student's age. We're jumping straight into the core of the Fraction Operator ecosystem. I've designed this interface to be zero friction, removing all sidebars and secondary navigation to keep the student focused on the task. Notice the bold typography and high contrast dark mode. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's about creating a technical tool persona that respects the high school student's maturity. I'll select 5/9 and submit. Upon success, the system doesn't just say, "Good job." It triggers adaptive scaffolding. We reveal the visual bars and that critical half benchmark line. This reinforces the mental model that 5/9 is more than half, helping the student internalize a strategy they can use without the software. Once a student has completed their evaluation, we provide a clear exit ramp into their personal data. By clicking View Your Stats here at the bottom right, we move from tactical practice to long-term strategy. This brings us to the Mastery Progress Dashboard. This is a senior UX layer of the application where we shift the student's identity from someone struggling with math to an operator managing a technical skill set. Instead of letter grades, we visualize growth through technical metrics. The primary graph tracks numerator logic over time, allowing the student to see their processing speed and accuracy stabilize as they initialize the half benchmark strategy. We also break down their performance into specific categories, matching accuracy and speed. This transparency helps the student identify exactly where their friction points are. For a 16-year-old, this data-heavy approach feels professional and empowering rather than patronizing. Now that we've seen the high-level data, I want to close by showing how the system actually helps a student who is struggling in the moment. I'll return to the training engine, and this time I'll select the incorrect value of 3/7. When a student fails, the UI immediately shifts to a supportive state. Instead of a red X, we provide an intervention card. Notice how it uses plain language to explain the half benchmark strategy. By showing the visual bars and that vertical midpoint line simultaneously, we're not telling them they're wrong, we're giving them the why. This addresses the core cognitive friction of comparing fractions without needing a teacher present. Clicking Try Again completes the loop. The system serves a fresh pair of fractions like this 4/9 and 6/10, encouraging the student to immediately apply the strategy they just learned. This closed loop design ensures that failure is always allowed by an immediate opportunity for success. Overall, the Fraction Operator is designed to be a mature, zero-friction tool that bridges the gap between academic struggle and professional-grade mastery. Thank you for walking through this system design with me.